Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Honey Garlic Chicken Fillet, sweet and savory chicken dish. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Finely chop the parsley. Season chicken with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Coat them in flour. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in a touch of oil. Add in the chicken and fry till golden brown. Push the chicken to the side and turn heat to medium-low. Add some oil and fry the garlic till fragrance is out. Add in the condiments and mix them. Coat the chicken in sauce and turn off the heat. Add in the parsley and it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!